Hi and welcome to the third episode of the construction of our 5-bedroom Maisonette in Victory Gardens, Optiven, Kitengela. My name is Terry Njweini. So right now I am standing in the front face of the house, and as you can remember in the previous videos, we did the excavation and the cutting away of the black cotton soil, after which we did the filling and the compaction with maram. So after here, we will do the curb row and we'll also do the landscaping for the parking area. From the landscaping work, we have done the drainage work. This is the inspection chamber. We have the grey water and the black water. The black water drains into the biodigester and the grey water drains into the soak pit. The black water basically is the water from the toilets and the grey water is the water from the sinks. For our windows, we have nicely molded these window sills, after which we will do some nice painting. Then we came to our walls, which we have decorated with the bush stones. We have also done the nail brushing to ensure that the outlines are smooth, but for these ones we will leave them in their natural state. We have also painted the wall master with the undercoat. We will do the final coat as you will see in the coming videos. When it comes to the entrance of our house, we have nicely molded this column and we will do some nice painting to enhance the beauty of our house, because this is the entrance, this is the face of the house. I am standing at the entrance foyer. We have already finished the gypsum decoration. What is remaining for this part is just the electrical work. I am now in the lounge, and this here is the TV area that has been done with gypsum. What is remaining is just the electrical work. Welcome to the first floor, where we have finished all the gypsum work. We have done the skimming and sanding, and now we are working on the tiling work, as you can see. Also, what is remaining for this part is the electrical fittings. And I am now in the spacious master bedroom, whereby we are doing our tiling work with granite tiles that are 600 by 600 millimeters. We have also finished the gypsum decoration for this place, and what is remaining is the cabinets and electrical fittings. After the skimming and sanding for the walls, we are now doing the undercoat painting, after which we will do the final coat, which will be morning grey for all the bedrooms. And for the lounge, the kitchen and the dining, we will do smoke grey. I am now in the master balcony, where we are finalizing with the tiling. We will also do the skirting once we are done with the tiling process. We are also done with sanding this rail, after which we will do painting, and then we will put a mahogany handrail. Then we have also finished the gypsum work for this balcony, and what is remaining is the electrical fittings and of course the final coat for the walls. I am now in the staircase that is leading us to our rooftop. As you can see, we have done aluminium glass walling to maximize on the natural lighting for the staircase. For this part, we have also finished the gypsum decoration And for here we will put a beautiful chandelier for the lighting of the staircase. Finally, I am at the rooftop and I am standing on interlocking blocks that we have installed. These interlocking blocks are very weather friendly and they are not affected by the temperature variations in Kitengela. They are also waterproof and therefore they drain their water into the floor traps. The floor traps then take the water to the drainage system that is in the ground floor. We have also installed this concrete coping to prevent water from seeping into this parapet wall. We have come to the end of our episode today. Thank you so much for your company and stay with me in the coming episodes because there will be a lot of progress, which includes the electrical fittings, the completion of the tilings, the installation of cabinets, and I will take you through all that. Until next time, kindly share, like,